Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just a quick little note on an engine that I got into the shop. As you can see, this is a Kewanee, hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Kewanee pumping engine. These are not your typical portable farm engines that we're used to. This one is more set to be in a permanent location. This one, these engines have single flywheels, and with the water pump built into them, so they're meant to be set in and used that way. This one is a Type 18, and its serial number is 4160. Type 18 4160, and it's Kewanee Water Supply Company, Kewanee, Illinois. Pretty neat little engine. A lot of raised litter names on it. They were very proud of it. Has this this cast iron base that come with the water pump part, and this is obviously a headless engine, and we're going to get her cranked up and see how she works. Get her on a cart where we can move it around. So check back in, and we'll get her running, get a water supply for it, and get her pumping. Hopefully bring her out to the show very soon. Thank you.